Hi guys, if you remember my last videos, you remember that I made paper squishies, the positive squishy, the phone squishy. Sorry, my camera's not focusing. Focus. Focus. And also the Pop-Tart squishy. So I want to show you guys a new squishy that I have. It's this apple squishy first. It's a little hard, but it shows on the back. It's like a someone just gave it to me. It's really cute though. The stem did get ripped off, but it is an apple. So and then also dumpling. No, that's the same one. And dumpling. It's not actually like a dumpling like this. The face is worn off of this one, so if you guys don't mind, and there's a hole in the bottom of it, but I'm sorry. But yeah, this is a dumpling. This is not a dumpling. See, this is not a dumpling. This is some weird squishy thing. And then I also got this needle. It's a fake one though. It's really squishy though, and I like it. But yeah, it's like this green swirly one. You can tell how squishy it is just because it's like fake. And then this is a real needle. It even has like a little needle thing right here. Sorry, my camera's still not focusing. And yeah, it's just a pink ice cube needle. And yeah. And if you guys like the new parts, if you guys like the new parts to my collection, please like, subscribe, and comment down below if you'd like to see more squishy videos, because I'm going to be adding some more squishies to my videos. But love y'all, bye.